Yeah, good morning. I am Mohanan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Rinac India Limited. Today we are showcasing complete range of retail equipments. For the bakery and the food processing segment. As you know that actually we have associated with EPTA in the current year to fulfill our one of the shortfalls in bringing the farm to fork concept, wherein we were not having the retail equipment to the fullest extent. But today, by joining with EPTA, we have fulfilled those gaps, and currently we are having all range of products. We can say that one of the best in class for the retail segments, especially for the bakery segments. We expect a lot of crowd, and we also expect a lot of our customers who has experienced our products and shown interest in buying it repeatedly, and also the new customers in the same segment.